going for it. We got him. We just got to get the one more. He's getting wild. Let's go, dog. About damn time. He's killing it. He ain't scared. He's in a $250,000 car. Holy shit, he's about to smoke me. He's gonna get me. Oh, no you don't, dog. We're spinning. We gotta be careful. He's getting me. He's gonna smoke me, bro. I can't get him. I'm gonna get beat on my road by a car. He's got me, bro. We're gonna get him. He ain't getting away from me on my road, dog. Dusting me, bro. We're getting wild. Good shit, dog. Holy shit. This guy's wild. Alright, we're gonna try to talk to this guy. I appreciate it, brother, man. That was good riding. The Huracan Evo. That is a disgusting car. He just smoked me, like, severely. And that was awesome. Nobody runs like that, man. Appreciate that, dog. Shout out to him. His Instagram is Discommon. D-I-S-C-O-M-M-O-N, I guess. Oh, he's going that way? That's the way I'm going. Shout out to him, because I was about to go home and I decided to go one more run and I bumped into him halfway down. I didn't even know he was here, so huge shout out to him. We're going to the house. I appreciate y'all watching my videos and I appreciate it. Watch his corner speed, man. It's just insane. It's faster than a bike, which he's not pushing real hard, but still, it's about as fast as I can take that corner. We're getting wild. Holy shit, he's faster. That's a long ass corner. Oh, that corner ain't that short. Oh, not the toes. This dude's quick. Oh. He's gonna kill me here. I don't like this corner. He's beating the shit out of me with rocks. It's my section. Oh, he's throwing big ass rocks. The Huracan's getting wild. He's slinging gravel everywhere. Shout out to Discommon on Instagram. He's killing it. That's Discommon. He is a pretty fast rider, a driver. He's gonna kill me on these two corners down here. They're sharp. But gaining on him. I'll back off. He's gonna smoke me up here. There's no way I win this. Oh, dog, easy. Oh, dip. Best part of the day right here. He's so quick, man. I'm trying to keep up. Oh, it's a sharp one. He's in there just sitting down, steering away. I'm working my ass off here. Oh, good stuff, brother. There's one little more spot we can hit, and then that's gonna be it. I'm out of battery, I'm out of gas. We out of everything. I appreciate it, brother, man.
Filming the whole time.
No, that was perfect, man.
Good balance. Take care.
Appreciate it. awesome. That's how many miles I rode in the mountains today. 250. That's on average per day. I've been riding for 3 days. We've been killing it. We've been putting the miles on the girl. It's time to change the oil. Think about the new set of tires. I don't have to buy them just yet, but I think I'm going to use the Q4s. I'm going to try those next. Change the oil and maybe clean out the air filter. Bleed the brakes or something. We'll see. I appreciate you guys watching. It's been an awesome 3 days. Couldn't have asked for a better 3 days. I needed that. Back to work tomorrow, so I got plenty of footage. I'll keep popping out videos all week, so you don't have to watch those boring moto vlogs. I appreciate you watching. Peace.